Don't Be Darell, starring Denver Crumback as Darell Lict.
How are you planning on paying for all of this?
Don't worry, I'm rolling fat.
These are hot.
Alright.
Anything else?
No, I'm set.
Hey Darell, did you get enough to eat?
No, I'm stuffed, thank you. Card to use.
Thank you. The card was declined.
Try this one.
Sorry Darell, they turned that one down too.
Here, this is a good one.
That's not even you.
Do you guys take Qdoba?
This is Lena's Cantina.
Same food?
No, it's not.
What about a blood donation?
I think that's against the health code.
Can you just put it on my retirement fund?
Probably not.
Got any dishes?
Darell is eating his future. Plan your best future today at onelifefullylived.org.